Calm your mind, ease anxiety, and restore balance with this mindfulness meditation. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you'll always catch our new meditations. Welcome, LuSHiners. Today, we embark on a guided mindfulness meditation journey. Our focus will be on easing anxiety and discovering inner peace. Take this opportunity to center yourself and cultivate a sense of calm and presence. Before we begin, let's take a moment to express gratitude for this time we are dedicating to ourselves. Gratitude helps to open our hearts and minds to the present moment. It's helpful to understand a bit about how mindfulness meditation works. When we experience stress, a part of our brain called the amygdala becomes activated. This can make it difficult to think clearly and make thoughtful decisions. Mindfulness meditation helps to calm the amygdala, allowing us to regain our sense of balance and clarity. By soothing this part of our brain, we enable ourselves to respond to life's challenges with greater ease and composure. Let's begin. To start today's session, find a comfortable position, whether seated with an upright posture or lying down. Allow your arms to rest gently by your sides or in your lap, feeling the support of the surface beneath you. Settle into this position, letting your body relax and your mind become still. Allow yourself to be fully present and open to the experience. When you're ready, close your eyes and bring your full attention to this very moment. Settle in, allowing your mind and body to still with openness, patience, and curiosity. Shift your focus to your breath, a constant companion to the present moment. Inhale deeply, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale completely, noticing the sensation within your body. Follow the breath's natural rhythm, observing its gentle rise and fall, guiding you into a tranquil state. Take one more deep breath, then let it settle, allowing it to flow naturally. Avoid the temptation to control or alter the breath. Instead, surrender to its effortless flow, letting it ease you into relaxation. Now, let's gently guide our attention down the body, exploring each part with mindful awareness. Begin by focusing on the crown of your head and your scalp, noticing any sensations present. You may feel sensations like tingling, a sense of warmth, slight pulsations, or subtle vibrations. These sensations can vary widely from person to person, and each experience is valid. Embrace whatever arises in this moment as precisely what you need. Shift your focus now to your forehead, face, and jaw. Invite these muscles to soften and relax, releasing any tension they may be carrying. With each exhale, feel any residual tightness melting away, replaced by a soothing wave of relaxation. Continue to lower your attention to your neck, encouraging the throat and surrounding muscles to unwind. Notice any sensations that arise, whether on the surface or deeper within. Allowing them to simply be, without attaching any judgment or meaning. Direct your focus to your shoulders, observing if there is any tension or strain residing there. With each breath, gently guide relaxation into your shoulders, allowing any tightness to dissolve. Extend your awareness down your arms, from the wrists to the palms and fingers. Noticing any sensations that arise. As you exhale, let go of any remaining tension. Feeling a comforting ease spreading through your arms. Now, shift your focus to your chest, attentively observing the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Allowing the inhalation to fill your lungs with revitalizing oxygen. Redirect your awareness to your upper and lower back, acknowledging that this is often a hot spot for stress accumulation. If you encounter any sensations of tension, warmth, or discomfort, simply observe them without judgment. With each breath, invite a gradual softening and release. Welcoming relaxation into these areas of your body. Shift your awareness to your abdomen, observing it as it expands with each inhalation. Filling with air and gently contracts as you exhale, releasing. Direct your attention to your pelvis, feeling the support beneath you, anchoring you to the present moment. Notice the contact points between your body and the ground or chair. And with each breath, allow yourself to relax deeper into this connection. Finding stillness and grounding in the present. Scan your legs now, starting with your thighs. Notice where they make contact with the surface beneath you. Feeling the solid support. Sense the stability beneath you, allowing yourself to surrender into a deeper state of relaxation. Shift your attention downward to your knees, shins, and calves. Tuning into any sensations or tension present. Allow your legs to soften, releasing any tightness, and experience a gentle sense of weightlessness. When you're ready, bring your focus to your ankles, feet, and toes. Let them relax completely, melting into a state of tranquil awareness. Take a moment to observe your current state. You may notice a sense of relaxation washing over you, a common outcome of meditation. This highlights the invaluable role of meditation during stressful times. Stress triggers our amygdala, clouding our ability to think clearly. However, through meditation, we can soothe this response, restoring mental clarity. Visualize yourself enveloped in a gentle, warm glow, bringing tranquility to every part of your being. With each breath, Imagine this glow expanding, filling you with a sense of safety and peace. Allow it to gently melt away any lingering tension, leaving you fully present, calm, and at ease. The practice of mindfulness meditation is here for you whenever you need it, ideally to prevent stress from building up. By incorporating this practice into your daily routine, you can create a foundation of calm and resilience to navigate life's challenges with greater ease. As we near the end of this session, gently bring your attention back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and slowly open your eyes, allowing the light to gently enter. Take a moment to notice any shifts in your mind and body, and carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day, allowing it to guide your actions and interactions. I hope you found today's meditation beneficial. I invite you to carry this state of peace with you into your day, feeling the sense of calm and clarity within you. Remember that you have the power to return to this calm and centered place whenever you need it. Join us again tomorrow for another session. Wishing you a wonderful rest of your day, filled with joy, love, and serenity. Thanks for meditating with us. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who could use a little peace today.